Now, I had this idea in my head that once you come off of the plane, everything I got all right. I had it in my mind that once you land in Canada, you get off the plane, everything just automatically I gonna start be all right. But that wasn't the case. When I landed, and you had all those optimism and all those goals, all those dreams, I quickly realized that this is a society that you have to work in order to survive. Now, let me kind of put things into perspective. Now, there's a lot of persons I know in Jamaica who is not employed. And those persons are living, and they're still living comfortable. They're eating every day, they have a roof over their head, and they have support. But in Canada, if you're not working, then dag na mess up. In literal terms, because in order for you to really survive, you have to be able to financially sustain yourself.